Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video guys, we will talk about what is academic integrity. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is academic integrity? Academic integrity means acting in a way that is honest, fair, respectful, and responsible in your studies and academic work. It means applying these values in your own work and also when you engage with the work and contributions of others. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is academic integrity is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.